Hi everyone, my name is Megan and I'm at InfoComm at 2026 in Las Vegas. I'm here with Soundtrack. We are a music streaming service for businesses, for commercial settings. What I'm going to show you today is our product, our UI. So here, what we're looking for predominantly at the show is to strengthen our partner network. So working with a partner with us means that you have access to a client management dashboard where you can register new customers and manage their accounts from the one place. Also in our service, you'll find our list of ready-made playlists. Our in-house music team continue to build and curate our playlists and update them typically on a weekly basis. You can find them based on genre, what's popular today, artists, based on different countries. We work with localization to ensure that the music in your market is as good as it can be. You can also create your own playlists, stations, or weekly schedule. We have some Spotify integrations here, so you can import your existing playlists and ensure you don't lose that music that you're hoping to play also in your business. A great feature that we have here is our weekly schedule where you can drag and drop playlists into your allotted time slot, making sure that the music that's playing in your business really follows the ebbs and flows of your brand to make sure that it's always on par with what's happening on site. We also have in-store messaging options, so any sort of audio layer that you would like to add, marketing, announcements, anything like that. You can upload your audio file right in the system, or you can use our text-to-speech function. And with that, you can create a campaign, choosing the days of the week, at what time per day, whether it needs to play on the dot, how long your campaign will run, and in which areas of your business you would like to play your message. We also have multi-location management, so if you have multiple areas in your business or even multiple addresses where you want to play music, you can manage that all handily from one page. And last but not least, your library, of course. Everything you've saved, created, borrowed from us, or created on your own is all in there. We have a couple of options that you can use for our supported devices, from our iOS, Android, Windows, macOS apps, any of the integrations that we have with our technology partners, and our own hardware soundtrack player. What we're showcasing here at InfoComm this year is that we are now possible to be Dante enabled on our hardware, which means that as a Dante Director customer, you can set it right up into your Dante system and manage it from there. So thanks so much for stopping by the booth. We're looking forward to seeing you again next year at InfoComm 2027.